The Samsung Galaxy S24 range is expected to be released in January of next year, and we're learning more about how powerful these new phones may be, as discovered by Sam Mobile. Geekbench listings for Korean editions of the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Ultra disclose remarkable benchmark scores for both phones, with the latter seeming to equal Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max in terms of power. According to the listing, Samsung's next flagship, which is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's freshly revealed Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, obtains a single-core score of 2,214 and a multi-core score of 6,744. For comparison, the iPhone 15 Pro Max scored benchmark scores of 2,935 and 7,0207. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra received scores of 2011 and 5365. The numerical edge seems to be retained by Apple's newest flagship when it comes to power, but the real-world performance differences between the Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max are likely to be insignificant. The news for the standard Galaxy S24 is similarly encouraging. According to the Geekbench listing, Samsung's next base model scores a single-core score of 2051 and a multi-core score of 6,204. The Samsung Galaxy S23 received benchmark scores of 1855 and 4903, implying that the former phone would perform similarly. Having said that, we're very convinced that Samsung's chipset lineup will not be uniform throughout the Galaxy S24 lineup. While every Galaxy S24 Ultra model, regardless of region, is expected to use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, rumors suggest that certain Galaxy S24 models, presumably those sold in Europe, will be fitted with Samsung's own Exynos 2400 chipset, though undeniably powerful Samsung's Exynos chipset are known for being weaker than their Qualcomm counterparts, meaning those in affected regions may have to settle for a slightly less powerful version of the Galaxy S24. What else we know about the Galaxy S24 range is that the standard model will have flatter edges and much slimmer bezels than its predecessor, and its display might be bigger and narrower at 6.17 inch, up from 6.1 inch on the Galaxy S23. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.